Welcome to Hey Genius AI Bootcamp Day 1. Most people using ChatGPT, Midjourney, or other AI tools don't really understand what AI actually is or how it works. Learning just the basics of how AI thinks can instantly make you smarter and help you get way better results.
This AI Bootcamp is designed to help you understand everything AI completely, for free, smart ways to use AI tools, and make money using AI. We'll also cover practical ways to use AI for work, creativity, and productivity, along with some tips and tricks in upcoming videos, so hit that subscribe button and stay tuned. In this video, we'll break down what is generative AI, how AI thinks, and what happens behind the scenes. Stick around till the end, you'll walk away an AI genius yourself.
Hey there, genius minds. Welcome back to Hey Genius Studio. AI isn't some far-off future anymore. It's here, shaping how we live, work, and create every single day.
If you've ever wondered what exactly is AI and how does it actually think, don't worry, I've got you.
By the end of this bootcamp, you'll have a clear, simple understanding of how AI really works. Let's dive in.
You've probably heard about artificial intelligence, from ChatGPT and self-driving cars to Netflix recommendations, or even movies like Iron Man, Her, or Ex Machina. But what really is AI? Let's make it simple. Artificial means something not natural, right? Something man-made. Intelligence means the ability to learn, reason, and make decisions. So artificial intelligence simply means man-made intelligence, machines designed to mimic how humans think and learn. But here's the question: does AI really think like us? The answer is kind of yes and kind of no. AI doesn't have feelings or imagination, but it's really good at spotting patterns. Think of it like your super efficient digital assistant. It can't think creatively like you, but it can recognize, learn, and repeat patterns at lightning speed. Most of today's AI systems are what we call narrow AI. They're brilliant at specific tasks, like recognizing faces, translating languages, or suggesting your next Netflix show. But they can't think beyond what they've been trained for. Let's imagine teaching a toddler. You show them an apple and an orange every day, and one day they proudly point and say, "Apple." That's learning from examples, and that's exactly how machine learning works. AI learns from data, millions or even billions of examples, until it can recognize patterns and make accurate predictions. You show it a million cat and dog photos, and it figures out which one says meow and which one chews your shoes. It's not about feelings, it's all about patterns and probabilities. And when you stack many of these learning layers together, kind of like neurons in our brain, that's deep learning, the technology behind chatbots, voice assistants, and driver assist cars. But AI isn't just hiding inside robots or chat apps, it's everywhere. When you ask Siri or Alexa to play your favorite song, that's AI understanding your speech. Wonder why your recommendations on Netflix or YouTube are so spot on? That's AI learning your taste. AI has been quietly helping us for years. But what's new now is generative AI, the kind that can actually create high-quality text, images, and even audio. Generative AI is a branch of AI that learns from tons of examples and then creates something new that's similar in style. Think ChatGPT writing essays or poems, Midjourney or DALL-E generating beautiful images, or tools that compose original music or code apps. For example, when you ask ChatGPT to write a bedtime story about a dog who wants to be a superhero, it doesn't copy one from the internet. It generates a brand new story word by word. Or say, a cat wearing sunglasses on a surfboard, and boom, AI paints it in seconds. Ayope? Generative AI uses deep learning models, like large language models and diffusion models, to generate text, images, or even music based on what it has learned from data. We will learn all of these concepts in detail in our upcoming videos. It's not creating from scratch, it's remixing patterns in clever new ways, and that's where the magic happens. Here's a fun example. Imagine someone invented the electric toothbrush. They took two old ideas, a toothbrush and an electric motor, and combined them. That's human creativity, connecting ideas and innovating. AI, on the other hand, does not decide to combine ideas unless you ask it to. It just generates outputs based on learned patterns. If you show AI a million photos of people brushing their teeth, it won't think, "What if I invent a new toothbrush?" But if you ask it to create a strawberry-headed toothbrush painting, it will instantly combine patterns of both strawberry and a toothbrush and design a strawberry-headed toothbrush for you. Strawberry toothbrush. So humans can think outside the box, whereas AI remixes what it already knows to generate a concept we ask it to do. Different superpowers, both amazing. Let's say you ask AI to create a pizza laptop. It will mix what it knows about pizzas and laptops to show you a cheesy screen with pepperoni keys. Or a cat sitting on clouds. Boom, you get a dreamy, never-seen-before image. Looks creative, feels magical, but still AI is not thinking. Still simply using pattern to remix and generate an output you asked for. Let's go back to something everyone loves, ice cream. If you ask AI to mix vanilla and chocolate, you get a swirl. That's AI. It combines known flavors, data, to make new mixes. But humans, we imagine mango chili ice cream or cookie pizza sundaes. That's the difference. AI creates within its data boundaries. Humans create beyond them. Trust me, our brain is still the most powerful creation out there. Another common question about AI is, will AI take away jobs? AI is definitely reshaping our world, from medicine to education to music and art. It can detect diseases early, assist farmers grow crops, write songs, generate art, or even code apps, all using data it's trained on. But yes, it also raises questions about jobs, privacy, and ethics. Will we lose jobs because of AI? The answer is not really, if you know how to use AI. Because the people who know how to use AI will thrive in this AI era. Also, remember, AI isn't perfect. It can make mistakes, reflect human bias, or sometimes give hilarious fails. It's not evil. It's only as smart and fair as the people who build and use it. Now, here's a fun challenge. Can you guess which picture is AI generated? 1, 2, or 3? Surprise! All of them are. AI can create anything, from messy, unrealistic images to ultra-realistic ones. I can even create a picture of myself as Superwoman saving the Earth. King Woman, no kidding, haha. That's the cool part. AI can make things look stunningly realistic or a little too unreal. Think AI as your smart assistant and use it to your advantage. Have fun with AI.
So, that's AI in a nutshell. Not a scary robot army, but a man-made system that learns from data and helps us think, create, and grow. If you liked this simple breakdown, tap that like button, subscribe, and comment below. Hey Genius Mode on. Stay tuned for next video where we will be diving deep. I'll see you there. Until then, stay curious, stay genius.